Now we'll learn another types of line, but this is not a state. When we need some line like that, then how we'll go with that? It's known as SPLine. Okay, so how we'll create these types of SPLine? To understand that, click here, draw. Just click here. They have SPLine fit and SPLine CV. Okay, CV means control verticals, sorry, control vertice, and SPLine fit means draw spline with fit point. Okay, so there are two differences between them and we'll draw one by one. So first of all, if we use SPLine fit, you can click here, otherwise you can press SPLine. Okay, so we can use that two option from on place. You can click any of it. So if we click here SPLine fit, just see they have enter SPLine creation method, it is fit, so our selected method is fit. And if you need to change that, you have to click here, click method, and if you click CV, then it will change to CV. So one by one we are going to do that. First of all, I'll go for fit. So what is the difference between fit? If I click here and if I click here, just see it will create some SPLine with respect to our clicking point, or with by intersecting our clicking point here. Just see. And if you need to edit that, you have to simply click here, and by clicking that intersecting point, or by clicking that point where you have clicked to do it, you can click here simply like that. But if we again enter our previous command, will start, and see here method fit are available. So what we'll do, I'll click here method, then I will select CV, and from here I will start creating some point like that. And see, now it's not creating point with our clicking point, it's creating point with our previous click point to next click point, and it's taking the intersection at its center of our all clicking point. Just see like that, it's taking point in center. Just see. And if you need to change that, simply click here, and you have to click change that, sorry, you have to click and you have to move that point. That's it, right? So this is the way to do our work perfectly. In this way we can use both SPLine for fit and for CV. Thank you very much.